Hey guys, welcome back to Machine Station. It's Joe Chavez. Today I have a 2003 Haas SL-30T. This machine is equipped with a 10-inch chuck, a tailstock, a 3.5-inch spindle bore, and a chip auger. A little background on this machine. It came from a local shop here in Southern California, only cutting aluminum. The customer upgraded machines to clear some floor space. We stepped in and purchased this machine from them. And this machine's conveniently located here in our Lake Elsinore, California facility, where it's under power, ready for inspection. If you have any questions regarding pricing, you need more details, you want to see additional photos or videos, please feel free to reach out. Give us a call at 909-919-9600 or visit us at the website where you can see this listing, www.machinestation.us. We're going to go ahead and run the video for you guys. Here the spindle, some axis movements, some tool changes. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and keep innovating.